Hello, this is Brian Manning with Halco Lighting Technologies. I am the product manager for Luminaires. Today we're going to be talking about our new product, the linear Vaportights. One of the first things I would like to highlight with this product is our color packaging. This packaging is ideal for stocking on distributor shelves and counter spaces. And a few things that I want to touch upon is a few things that we highlight in this great color packaging is you see the Halco branded logo, the wattage performance, and your replacement. We also offer a great picture of the product itself. And towards the tail end of the package, we highlight color temperature, lumens, energy savings, and our standard warranty. Here's the product that you receive when you open the package. It's a 4-foot linear Vaportight luminaire. It has a frosted lens to help diffuse the lighting that is wet listed and rated for IP65 applications. It comes with stainless steel mounting clips to help keep and secure the lens in place. A few things we want to highlight on the back of the luminaire is you have a knockout for surface or wall mounted applications, in addition to eyelets if you need for aircraft cable for suspension mounting. We do offer aircraft cable as an accessory, and you'll see that on both ends of the luminaire. As you remove the lens to install the product, you'll notice that there are two prongs here. You actually press in the prongs on both ends of the luminaire, like so, and you release the LED tray. As you release the tray, you will notice that all of your mounting hardware is located inside of the luminaire. Please remove. You can see that we use a dimmable driver. These are your purple and gray leads if you're wiring any control systems to this luminaire. There is also a great quick disconnect for your line and neutral leads. Also two for ground. A great installation feature with this luminaire is that as you remove the linear LED tray, there's actually two suspension cables. So your contractor can actually mount the back of the housing and actually do their terminations as the fixture is suspended. So it makes for a one-person installation for this luminaire. So all that's included with your mounting hardware is mounting brackets. We have a plug, screws for wall and surface mounting applications, and then adapter here if you're pulling an SO cord through the side of the luminaire or even through the top of the luminaire. So if you're coming in through the side of the luminaire, there's actually a hole that we showed earlier. You actually pull in your adapter here, pull your SO cord through, connect. Now you have wire access through the side of the luminaire. If you want to do this through the top or the back of the luminaire, you can do this as well. We highlighted the knockouts that you have available to you. If you're not going to come in through the side of the luminaire, we do include a white plug. Actually plug that side of the luminaire, make sure it's secure. And you still retain your IP65 rating and wet listing. For additional mounting applications, we do provide brackets for surface mount or wall mount applications. And basically to attach the bracket, it's a simple connection. Have this eyelet here, it goes into the eyelets. And you can suspend the luminaire with your aircraft cable. So you have a loop provided to suspend the fixture. If you're surface or wall mounting your product, there's actually provisions and screws we provide, anchor screws to wall mount or surface mount the luminaire. In addition to, if you're pulling your SO cord through the back of the fixture, we offer the adapter that you can use this knockout and pull your SO cord through the back of the fixture. So as you completed all your terminations, make sure that the LED tray is secure and back in place. You have no wires exiting the side or sides of the LED tray. Take your polycarbonate lens, put it in place, secure all stainless steel mounting clips. apply power, and there you have it. Halco's new linear Vaportight. If you need additional information, please visit www.halcolighting.com. Thank you.